In this video, we will see about kinematics and what is reference frame and its importance and how to represent a motion, and finally we'll end up the session with a small question. So let's get started.
Kinematics. So what is it? Kinematics describes the motion of a system or a body without considering the forces acting on the body and mass of the body. For example, if a force F is acted on a body of 1 kg, then kinematics considers only the motion of the body irrespective of the force acting and the mass of the body. A motion can be described mainly with 3 parameters, which are reference, path and time. In this video, we will mainly discuss about reference, which is also known as frame of reference. To explain the concept of reference, let's consider an example of a car which is stopped at the traffic signal. Then we can say that the speed of the car is 0 with respect to the earth. But if we look at the same car from the moon, then the speed of the car is not equal to 0. This is because moon itself has a motion with respect to the earth. So different frame of reference will result in different type of motion. So defining the frame of reference and choosing the correct frame of reference are two important things that we need to learn. To explain how to choose a correct frame of reference, let's consider you are standing still on the earth and watching a train moving forward. In this case, the earth is taken as a reference and motion of the train is being observed. But when you sit in the same train and watch through the window, then you will observe that the trees are moving backward or the earth is moving backwards. This is because you have taken train as a reference and motion of the trees are being traced. So if you want to know the motion of the train, then choose earth as a frame of reference, which is the first case. And if you want to study the motion of the tree with respect to the moving train, then train is taken as the reference. A frame of reference is represented by 3 perpendicular axes x, y and z. So how to represent a motion? Consider a body is in one-dimensional motion and it is moved 1 meter. Then its motion will be completely defined only after defining its direction, which is x-axis, and frame of reference A. So here I have a question for you. Centuries ago, people thought that Earth is the center of the solar system and it is stationary, which was a big misconception. This misconception happened because Earth is taken as the reference, and they tried to define the motion of other planets and the Sun with respect to the Earth. And now we know that Sun is the center of the solar system. So what is the correct frame of reference to be considered in order to find the center of the solar system?
Please post the answer or any suggestions you have in the comment box. And if you enjoy the video, please do like, share and subscribe.